Welcome to the product close-up of the Slimline Surprises interactive die set from the Warm and Cozy holiday release. I want to share with you now the info on the Slimline Surprises die set. So it's easiest if I show you the type of card that it can make. So I'm going to just grab my pull tab here. It allows an interactive card such that you pull this back, you can put a message in there, you can put a gift card. It's now a slimline size, and then you easily can let it go down, and then you have a card. I have it on a card base. Comes with two main dies for the slider surprise, a die like this that is the pull tab, and then the main panel of the card, which is this die. Included in the kit is a tag die so that you can make any size tag. I'm not going to use it in this video, but you could put it on here and make a super large tag if you wanted to. Also included are two rip pull tabs. So you die cut this into a paper and, for example, an envelope, and then the recipient can rip this part open and open the envelope and get what's inside. But I'm not going to show this as well. The critical part of this die set is this interactive card. So you're going to want to die cut one of each type. So I've already die cut it. I'm now going to take, so this is what's going to serve as the pull tab. And this is the card panel. So I'm now going to take both of these away so we can just focus on this. So there are some indentations here, or notches, and you're going to want to help the card move the way it's supposed to. So as we saw, it forms this almost triangle tent-like interactive part in the card. So you want to fold up here, down here, and as you can see, that's what it looks like. So it's going to slide back and forth when the tab is attached to it. So you're going to attach this in such a manner that when you pull the tab, this mechanism will slide up, and then you can display whatever you'd like to display. I have a card base, a slimline card base here. It is 8.5 by 3.5. So first, we're going to prepare the mechanism of this card, and that requires that we flip over the mechanism that's going to become a tent, this upper portion here that forms most of the panel, and we're going to put tape in certain areas and not other areas. So we're going to put tape here because we're going to attach that to the tab. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to want to put tape on the very outside. We don't want to put it close to the card. We want to leave some space. Because we don't want to ruin the track system and interfere with the mechanism. So put tape along here, and then finally put tape on the bottom, because that should stay put as well. Okay. And if you want to put a gift card in this mechanism. You can still do it like this, but it might be better to use double-sided foam tape, very thin strip here, to elevate the whole mechanism so you have a little bit more room for your gift card. But for the card I'm making today, this is not what I'm going to do. So we're going to peel back parts of this and attach it to our slimline card base. And so I'm going to flip it over and try to, actually we want to do it like this. Okay. All right, and you can put more of a notch here if you prefer, but this is just, this is perfect. So, moment of truth, there it works. And so you can decorate this however you want. And as I've done here, I actually did add foam tape, so I can add a gift card in here. A little bit more space. But again, a gift card should fit without the foam tape as well. So, and you can do, you know, decorate to your heart's content. Just make sure that you don't attach anything to the top panel here, just to the bottom panel, so that when you slide it up, it will be displayed and not stuck to this, otherwise it won't work. So that's the only other tip. Don't add anything that you design to this part, and just only add to the bottom part down here. You can add adhesive and add all your items. Just make sure, again, because it is like a tent-like structure, that you don't add anything to the top here so that it can display whatever you want to display. We hope you enjoyed this product close-up of the Slimline Surprises interactive die set. We can't wait to see all your creations. Be sure to share them on social media and tag us. Thank you for watching!